Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you several legitimate ways to get Discord Nitro for free. These methods are simple, safe, and completely legal. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Method 1. Claim Discord's free trial. The easiest way to get Discord Nitro for free is by checking the Nitro section in Discord. Discord often offers a free trial for eligible users. If a promotion is available on your account, you can activate it and enjoy Nitro at no cost for the promotional period. Just remember to cancel before the renewal date if you don't want to be charged. Method 2. Receive a Nitro gift. Another option is to receive a Discord Nitro gift from a friend or another Discord user. Nitro gift subscriptions can be redeemed directly through Discord, making this another legitimate way to enjoy Nitro for free. Method 3. Check Epic Games promotions. Epic Games occasionally partners with Discord to offer free Nitro promotions. Visit the Epic Games Store and search for Discord Nitro. If a promotion is currently available, sign into your Epic Games account, verify your information if required, and follow the instructions to claim the offer. These promotions are usually available only for eligible users and may have an expiration date. Method 4. Watch for special promotions. Discord also partners with other services from time to time. For example, Xbox Game Pass has previously included free Discord Nitro as a perk for eligible members. Similar offers may also appear through other companies, so it's worth checking the perks included with subscriptions you already have. Those are some of the best legal ways to get Discord Nitro for free. Keep an eye on official Discord promotions and partner offers, as new deals are released throughout the year.